Where's your corn
That's
right
why I
here?
take some orange juice.
Kitty.
Better go put some orange juice in it.
Kitty. Kitty, look, 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 look.
Y'all cat scared. If that black one ain't done, or you ain't scared of it, big black dude. Are you Black Panther or something? Big old black cat. I know she sure enough loves cat food.
Yeah.
Well, Watson, he ain't coming out of that.
Come here. Kitty. What do you want from the stick? What did it do to you?
You can tell when you get down to the bone.
Did you?
Okay, you killed the stick.
The bug?
Cat, really?
The bone.